Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture and after that we begin the calculation, we can now show our moment diagram of result. To show this diagram, we go to result, diagram 4 bars. First of all, we can go, edit the diagram description for the view, press apply. Then let's for example show M1, My. We can show here. We can also, for example, for the beams here, show active. For the columns, for example, we can select these columns and we can show only these columns. We can fx here for self weight, fy, fz, okay, mz. For the value is very small, so it's normal. For example, wind beams, here refresh selection. We can also show okay, so we can show all our work for the rails, for example. We can show here the force, okay, exactly. So we have shown the forces here, and we will continue on the design and the next lecture. Thank you for listening. We will continue on the next lecture.